Back in November, I posted a video about the initial disassembly and teardown of my 1930 Model A Coupe pickup to begin its restoration. That video came to an abrupt end when I dropped the rear bumper assembly onto my foot. That foot injury turned out to be a little more disabling than I had anticipated and forced me to stay off my feet for a couple of weeks. But the foot is better, so let's get back at tearing down the Model A so we can start its restoration. With the removal of the remaining body bolts, it was time for the long-awaited separation of the body from the chassis. Just barely cleared. Using some lumber I had laying around and some spin casters, I built this dolly so I could set the body on it and be able to move it around easily. Okay, we were able to get the body off the chassis and put onto the dolly that I built for it. Today's goal is to get the entire chassis disassembled and moved into the backyard where my covered work area is. Let's see if we can make that happen. One running board. One front fender. For some unknown reason, the passenger side of this vehicle was considerably more rusted up than the driver's side. If you're a bolt and you don't want to come out, I'll just eliminate you. Second running board. One more fender to go. Last fender coming off. This fender is in pretty good shape. I think all this one pretty much needs is a sandblasting and a repaint. Very minimal body work on this one. Hey everybody, day 2 of the chassis disassembly. I didn't quite get it finished last night. Being the time of year that it is, it gets dark so early in the afternoon that I ran out of good light to film anything, so I stopped working. We'll get it finished up today. I was able to get all the brake rods disconnected, the shock links disconnected. So the only thing we have to do today to break the chassis into the 3 major components is take the U-bolts off the crossmember frames that hold the leaf springs to the bottom of the crossover part of the frame. Then we'll split it into the 3 major components: the front axle assembly, the frame itself, and then the rear axle assembly. And those are small enough pieces that I can manhandle them past my air conditioning unit and get them into my covered work area to begin the minor tear down stuff and start the restoration. So thank you for continuing to watch, and let's get after it. Okay, front axle coming off. Look at that, nice and easy. Okay, rear axle assembly coming off. Let's hope this goes as easy. Ooh. Okay, that wasn't that bad. Voila. Okay, we've got everything under cover in my tent covered workspace. It'll be out of the elements this winter, and now we can start the fun part of meticulously taking every single component apart and restoring every single one and putting it all back together. My first priority is to continue to strip down the frame till I get everything off of it. I still got to get the shocks off, and there's the rear engine brackets and a couple other small pieces. And then we will take the frame down to a auto body shop, make sure it's square and level. And then we take that to the powder coat shop and powder coat the frame. And we'll powder coat each piece as it goes back on. So all of the rough teardown is done. Now the fun part starts with the individual pieces. Thanks for watching.